Today's question, what are the powers and duties of a trustee of a revocable living trust? We've talked before about how revocable living trusts work, but today I want to talk a little bit about the trustee and what their role is. When forming your revocable living trust, you want to pick someone to act as trustee who is responsible and trustworthy with money. It's also a good idea to pick someone who does a good job of managing their own affairs, because you're placing this person in charge of managing your affairs if you're incapacitated and administering your estate after your death. A trustee is similar to a personal representative under a will in that they will be in charge of administrating your estate after death, except if you use a revocable living trust, they will be doing it without court supervision. That's an added reason that you want to pick someone who is trustworthy and has initiative to follow the instructions you've laid out in your revocable living trust. Each revocable living trust differs, but in general your trustee will have broad powers to buy, sell, and administer your property following death. Look carefully at the powers granted in your revocable living trust and talk with your attorney about which are appropriate for your situation. Those are some of the powers and duties of a trustee. In general, if you form a revocable living trust, you'll often name yourself as the initial trustee, and if you're married, your spouse. But after your death is when it often, or if you're incapacitated, comes into play that a third party will serve as trustee. Great question. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.